Hello friends, today we are going to learn two structure. When we end these sentence structures, it ends with na hai. But both have one thing different. If you want to show your compulsion, then you will use has to, have to, will have to. If you want to show your desire, so you will use want to. For showing desire, we use want to, but for showing compulsion, we use has to, have to, will have to. And keep in your mind, when you are using has to, have to, when we have to use has to, and when we have to use have to. So we have to check first subject. Is it plural or singular? If subject is singular, then you are going to use has to. If it is plural, then you will use have to. And for future, you will put will have to. If you want to show future compulsion and then you can use will have to plus verb first form. So for instance, मुझे कल कपड़े धोने हैं. It shows our compulsion. So how will you make this sentence? You will say, I will have to wash clothes tomorrow. Why we use will have to? Because it is showing compulsion. Can you tell me, this sentence is telling about something desire? No, it is not telling about desire. It is telling about only compulsion. That is why I used will have to. And if I give some more examples, like I want to take milk, means मैं दूध पीना चाहती हूँ. It shows my desire. It is not showing compulsion. If somebody is forcing you to take the milk, then you can use has to, have to. Like I have to take milk, I have to drink milk, because your mother is forcing you to take milk. That is why it is compulsion for you. If somebody is not pressurizing you and it's your desire to take milk, so you will use I want to take milk. It shows desire. That is why I use want to. If you want to say मुझे गोवा जाना है, everybody wants to go to Goa, so it's everybody desire to visit Goa. So that is why we are not going to use has to, have to, will have to, because it's not our compulsion, it's our desire. So we will use I want to go to Goa. And we can also say, if you are going by flight, so you can say I want to fly for Goa. If you are going for if you are going by flight, so you will use fly for Goa. So this will look good. And I give you some more examples. If I say मुझे पोछा लगाना है, can you tell me, is it your desire or not? No, nobody wants to mop the floor. It's compulsion. It shows compulsion. And we can say I have to mop the floor today. So because my mother is saying me mop the floor, it is compulsion, not desire. If I say आज मुझे शॉपिंग पे जाना है, so everybody wants to go to mall and they want to shopping, and they have desire. They keep desire every time. So it's our desire. We will use I want to go to mall to shopping. Okay. And I give you more example कि मुझे 5 लाख रुपए देने हैं किसी को. And we can take our relative names and our friends names, and with whom we have borrowed, and that is why. So we can say I have to give 5 lakh rupees to my friend. So it is showing compulsion, it is not showing desire. And sometimes it also shows desire, so you can say I want to give some money to builder, because you have a desire to buy a house for your family. So when we give the money for our house, so we feel happy. That is why we use I want to give money to builder, so that I can buy my own home, own home and house. But where we live with our family, we use home. And I give you more examples. मुझे आज स्कूल का होमवर्क करना है. It's my compulsion. If I don't complete my homework, so my teacher will scold when I will go to school. So that is why it shows compulsion. So I can say I have to do my homework, and it shows compulsion. And मुझे सुबह जल्दी उठना पड़ता है. It's also shows compulsion, because nobody wants to get up early in the morning, and nobody wants to get up with the lark, because they love their sleep and they want to sleep little more. So that is why it shows compulsion. I have to get up early in the morning. And there is a one phrase, get up with the lark, we can also use कि, I get up with the lark. With the lark is a idiom. It makes our sentence very beautifully, and you can use this sentence a lot in day-to-day life as well. Okay. And I have मुझे एक्सरसाइज करनी पड़ती है, एंड समवन इज प्रेशराइजिंग हिम टू डू एक्सरसाइज. So it shows compulsion, like I have to do exercise because my mother is saying me, if you want to keep healthy, so you would you will have to do exercise every day. So it shows compulsion. So but I do exercise wholeheartedly, it's my desire. uh, I I want to do exercise every day, so it shows desire. We can also say I want to do exercise every day for keep myself healthy, because it is showing our desire. If it is not showing desire, so you will use compulsion. And if you shows your desire, so you can use want to. So I hope you might have understood this concept and you would like this concept. Thank you for watching. Bye.